Hello everybody, welcome back to Financeable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to redeem Shein gift card. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and visit the official website of Shein. You can search the website by typing www.shein.com, and once you are in the official website of Shein, what you're gonna do is here, for instance, I'm choosing this particular product. So in order to redeem Shein gift card, I'm adding it to my cart or basket. Click on the view card option. Now click on checkout now. Now you will be appear with your payment information or your shipping address details. So what you're gonna do is in the order summary, in the coupon code option, write down your coupon code or gift card number, and once you do that, right there you can see the apply option. Click on the apply option. Once you do that, you will be successfully able to redeem your Shein gift card. So that's how easily you can redeem your Shein gift card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.